When it comes to investing, everyone wants to make the most of their money. The key to achieving the best returns is selecting the right investment plan that aligns with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Let's take a look at some of the best investment return plans that could really help you to grow your wealth. This is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So here are five top investment options with great returns. Equity mutual funds. Number one, these funds invest in a variety of stocks and offer high growth potential over the long term. They tend to provide better returns than other types of funds, but come with higher risk. Second one, stocks. Investing directly in stocks can offer high returns, especially if you choose companies with strong growth potential or those in booming sectors. Number three, real estate. Investing in property, whether directly or through REITs, can provide both value appreciation and rental income over time. Another one, index funds. A low-cost diversified option that tracks uh, market indices like the S&P 500. They offer steady returns over time with lower risk compared to individual stocks. There's also fixed deposits, FDs. It's a low-risk option with guaranteed returns. Fixed deposits provide steady interest payouts, though the returns are typically lower than equity-based investments. Each of these investment options comes with its own level of risk and reward, so choose the one that best fits your financial and long-term goals. Again, not financial advice, educational purposes only. I love you.